सो गाइज हाय, आज की ये वीडियो है आपके स्टेज ऑफ स्टार्टअप की। कितने फाउंडर से मेरी हफ्ते में बात होती है, रोज बात होती है। दे वांट अ पिच डेक एंड दे आर बीइंग आस्क्ड कि उनका स्टेज क्या है, उनका स्टार्टअप किस स्टेज पे अभी जा रहा है फंडिंग के लिए, या एग्जिस्टिंग स्टेज क्या है। एंड दे आर कंफ्यूज, दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड कि उनका स्टार्टअप अभी बेस पे है, आइडिया पे है, या सीरीज पे जा रहा है, या सीड पे जा रहा है, या प्री सीड पे जा रहा है। तो ये मेजर कंफ्यूजन नॉर्मली तब रहता है जब आपके पास इन्वेस्टर आता है और आपसे पूछता है अपना स्टेज बताइए, आपका स्टेज ऑफ स्टार्टअप क्या है। MVP stage, what exactly is an MVP stage? MVP stage is minimal viable product stage where you bring your product in building. This can mean any form, a website or an application or a service which is solving the problem you just got validated. So इसके लिए funds कहाँ से आएंगे? In order to get funds, you can approach your friends and families, or you can use own money to invest to build this product, and then or you can go to other organizations which are incubators and accelerators, which not only help to give you fund to do the POC but also bring lot of connects in the ecosystem which help you to eventually grow and move to the next stage. So now the next stage comes where you have done your POC. Now you want to launch your product to a larger mass and ultimately get large number of clients, so which is called seed stage. So what exactly a seed stage is? Seed stage is a stage where you have already sown your seed. That means आपका POC complete हो चुका है. What is POC? POC is proof of concept. आपने अपना जो product है, you build that product and then you test it with your first 100 customers, and now you're ready to launch to a larger market where you need marketing and campaign on various social media or a proper development of your product for more reach. And then for this you need funds, and for this funds the preferable options can be again accelerators that give you seed fund, and then followed by angel investors, and there are early stage funding firms that do give you seed money for a proper launch in the market. So for this you can go to these organizations, and then you jump to a next stage which is called series stage, where you just have to scale. So now let's talk about this stage in our next video. Thank you.